Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check this out, 2026 Brinkley 235. It is a towable tandem axle and a fantastic floor plan. Haven't seen this floor plan yet in a Brinkley. You can see your power shut off. You're also your residential water pass-through storage. There's a tandem axle I was talking about, Brinkley badging. I like the way they do so there's a window here, but they cover it up. So from the outside, it doesn't really look like a window. From the inside, it absolutely is a window. There's a 235 badging. Here's the new door handle, grab handle for 2026, which I really like. And I'll just show you the off-camp side. Here again, there's a window back there in the back of the RV. Same way with on this side, single slide on the off-camp side. There is a window there with covered up decal, but I'll show you from the inside. So real nice floor plan, very roomy. There's a 235 badging again. As we step up inside, right away you're greeted by storage. Here's your power and your stereo. But look at the amount of storage you have here. Just plenty of storage, drawers. So you have that bank of cabinets and drawers. You have another bank of cabinets and drawers here next to the refrigerator. Freezer on bottom, French style doors on the top, microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop, and again, storage and drawers, and then your trash, as well as an area for your bag, and then your paper towel, just like on most all Brinkleys. Really a nice setup. As I swing around and take a look at the sink. So here are a couple of windows. That's a window that we showed you on the outside from the back, as well as a window from the off-camp side. So you can see the decal right here. So this is a decal, and then this doesn't. But it's very unobstructive or unobtuse from the inside, but on the outside, it shows very well. I want to show you some accent lighting. So if I can get in here. So we turn on one switch, and that's the light behind the mirror, as well as that overhead light. I'm going to turn that off a second. And then you have accent lighting in your shower, which would be a great nighttime, and then both of them on at the same time. But to me, this would be a great way to keep things lit at night. So it's not real bright, kind of an odd place for a thermostat, but it works. Cabinets, and then your laundry hamper, your commode, additional cubbies there, and then storage below the sink. And then you have your hooks. And I really like the way Brinkley uses their hooks. Instead of just having the drunken sailor, they have a hook that folds up out of the way. Here's another bank of hooks, and then a look at the main area, theater seating. And so you have a window here, fireplace. You also have a multi-purpose desktop, and then you have a projector screen TV that will project on to the screen that comes down. And I'm going to show you underneath the bed in a second. But look at the amount of storage. So you have storage behind the cabinets, and then you have these cabinets above, and you can see just how cavernous, that would be a good word for it, cavernous they are. But speaking of cavernous, wait till you see this. If I can function this, believe me, I'm not going to put it down one-handed, but look at that, and you ain't seen nothing yet. So you have these little doors, but look how deep that is. So you have those two dining chairs, and you have a laundry basket, you have shelving, great place to put your belongings, and just really, really well thought out. You also have hooks, so you can hang your clothes up there when you close this down, provided you don't have this loaded up with a bunch of stuff. Your clothes will stay nice and fresh. Well, here's a little bit of a drawing. And then check this out. you have a screen for privacy, or privacy as they say over in England, and you can pull this across so you have privacy in the bedroom, and then should you have people sleeping out here. Don't know that you'd use it much, but it's there if you need it. So again, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Go ahead and leave a comment, question, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.